This is John with WTI, and here with a powerful formula of Lysol toilet cleaner that is gonna keep your toilet as clean as possible and look as nice as you can, even though you're not gonna focus on that so much. But what I like about this is that you don't have to do too much. It's just a nice circle side in your toilet and just do the scrubbing. And after that, just leave it on for a good for a good solid minutes, and you just know that your toilet is gonna be really clean. This one has a formula that's gonna help with lime and rust that it just works wonders and high quality cleaning state, not uncomplicated, just a round corner, really a good scrub, and you just know that your toilet and the whole environment of the area of the bathroom, which is really important to always keep it as clean as possible, just to stay as nice. It's gonna be 10 out of 10 bathroom. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.